how to fix WhatsApp not sending photos and videos in less than 1 minute. So to fix this problem, it's actually very easy. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps right here, go to apps and then go to WhatsApp. And now here on this page you will find all the app informations. All what you have to do now is very simple. Just click on the permissions option. Now right here you will find the app permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions and then go back. Click on this force stop right here in the top and then go back to the settings page. Go to wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. See you later.